Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. So you are requested to stay with me till an end without skip. Oh, before going to start, I have a request. Please subscribe the channel by click the button if you didn't subscribe yet. And thank you all who have already subscribed. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to play some trade with different pair by candlestick analysis. So let's start analyze. There is a downtrend. Okay, we can see strong sellers entry. Okay, I'm going to place sell trade because so round number here. So market should respect this round number. I think. Okay, let's wait for the result. Let me check this pair. This Euro USD. This also major trend is downtrend. Can see some rejection by the sellers. Okay, let's close this candle. Okay, I'm going to place lower option here because if you observe this market, see buyers and few buyers entry again sellers, few buyers entry sellers, same. So here I am expecting that market will reject by the sellers, and I have on this trade. So let's close this candle. We see Euro NZD. This is a down uptrend. I have lost this trade. Anyway, loss is common, no need to worry. And okay, I'm going to place here lower option with some marginal safety. And so this is a breakout candlestick because this is a round number and market just close above the round number. It means the next candle will be a bearish candle. So I place lower option. So let's analyze this market. AUD major trend is a downtrend, and we can see some strong buyers entry from the round number and very strong round number. Okay, I'm going to place lower option here. Okay, I placed lower option because so though this is a strong buyers entry from this level, but it's a single candle. So single candle cannot be reverse the market. So I place lower option here. Okay, this is winning trade. See, market respected this level. Okay, let's wait for this result. Then see this one. See, this is not good market actually. Lot of weeks, so it's not good to trade this kind of pair. So let me change this pair. Good. Okay, I have on this trade also. This is quite good. And if we see, this is actual level where buyer got force, and this was a breakout candlestick. Okay, so I missed this trade. Anyway, let me check another pair. This Euro AUD and this is a uptrend. Okay, let me close this candle. Got some strong sellers, and seller made a new low. Okay, I'm going to place lower option with, okay, I have placed lower option because I saw market got rejection from this round number, strong sellers, and there are few buyers entry, but very weak buyers. Buyer entry because this is an uptrend, and I saw there has a strong seller, and seller made a new low, so I place here lower option. So let's close this candle. Okay, I'll place trade here on next candle. Let's close this candle. Okay, this GBNZD, yeah, and major trend is an uptrend, but minor trend is a downtrend. Okay, I have on this trade too. Anyway, we can see. Okay, let me check. Let me check this. That seller getting weaker, but still it's strong momentum, so it's not good to go against the momentum. So let's wait to close this candle. Okay, okay, let me close this candle, then I'll place trade on next candle. Some buyers entry, few buyers entry. Okay, I'm going to place lower option here because I saw a very weak buyer entry, and this is strong momentum, and trend also is a down, minor trend is a downtrend also. So I place lower option. Let's close this candle. Okay, some buyers entry. But if you observe this, seller made a new low. So this will help you to trade on next candle. Weak is nothing, but it will help you to trade, place trade on next candle. Okay. See, I have on this trade too. So total I place 6 trade on is lost, and loss is common. No need to worry about losses. So I'll try to place 1 or 2 more trade if I have good confirmation. Okay, this is a strong buyer's entry. What about GB CAD? GB CAD also you can see buyer's entry. Okay. Euro USD. if you check this market, buyer made a new high and seller getting weaker, but main thing is trend is on down. Okay, you see this is actually buyer's area. That's a seller are getting weaker. Okay, let's check this. Okay, maybe I'll place on trade after this candle if I have confirmation from buyers. Let's close this candle. In this situation, always you should place trade with some marginal safety, like see strong seller's entry. Okay, I'm going to place higher option because I saw some rejection by the buyer from this level, and this candle close at the level, and I saw some buyer's entry in this candle also. uh, if you check 5 seconds candlestick, you can see some buyer's entry, and this is a, seller's entry candle, but this is a single candle, and single candle, see here also you can see single candle, but next time it close above. So I am expecting that market will give me a winning trade. This one, if I win this trade, I will stop trading. See, okay, see I have won this trade too. So see, main thing is, see, if you observe this market, though trend is a downtrend, but some buyers entry in every step, and here see there is strong sellers entry, but in this area seller getting weaker because uh, this is a seller's area. Okay, sorry, this is a buyer's area. So seller getting weaker, and every candle has lower rejection, means seller is not interested, and buyer are stronger than the sellers. And in this candle also we saw some buyers entry, and end of the movement last second some sellers entry, and it can happen. And that's what I place here buyer option, because another thing is that candle closing point is at the buyers area. So I place here higher option, and I have on this trade. So total I placed 2, 4, 7 trade. Total I have placed 7 trade. Out of 7 I have on 6 trade. So this was my first sorry, this was my first trade. Yeah, this was my first trade. I have placed lower option because I place the lower option because here I can see downtrend, and this candle was a breakout candlestick. So that's what I place here lower option, and this was my second trade. I had placed here lower option because uh, if I observe this market, see everywhere buyers entry, but seller are stronger than the buyer, because see lot of sellers entry but few buyers, lot of sellers few buyers, lot of sellers. So I thought the and this was that candle close at the level, so I thought that market will uh, made a bearish candle, because this was a strong candle, but this has a rejection from upper side also, and upper rejection is more than the lower, and candle close at the level, trend is a downtrend. So I place lower option, but somehow I lost that trade. And about losses, don't need to worry, because loss is common in binary trading. Nobody can trade 100% actually. uh, Maybe you can win 70 to 90% trade, but out more than 90 nobody can trade. Actually, it will take lot of time. Like if you wait whole day, maybe you can place 2 3 4 5 trade. So it's not good in this way. So uh, maybe out of 10 trade, one or two you can get losses. That is common, and don't need to worry. If you lost this trade, maybe next time you will have chance to recover this trade. Okay, and this was my third trade, because I saw that candle just broke that round number, and that candle was a strong candle, and that previous candle has a weak buyer's entry. That's what I place lower option with some marginal safety, and I have on this trade. And this was my fourth trade. I saw this is a downtrend, and here I can see some strong buyer's entry from the round number. And this is actually, though this is a strong buyer's entry, but it's a single candle, and single candle cannot actually turn the market in opposite side. I mean, most of the time, if a strong single candle appeared in opposite side, you can place always uh, uh, the trade in the direction of trend. And this is my fifth trade. I placed here lower option, because I saw some rejection, some strong sellers from this level, and after that there saw few buyers are interested, but next candle has a strong seller's entry, and seller made a new low. Though this is an uptrend, but I placed here because I found some strong sellers, and seller made a new low. That's what I placed here lower option. And this is my sixth trade. I place here lower option, because the trend, major trend is an uptrend, but minor trend is a downtrend, and main thing is the momentum is very strong. And at the area, see, if you observe this candle, strong, again is strong, but this is a less strong. I mean, less sellers than this candle. Again, very few sellers are interested, but in this candle supposed to be a strong bullish candle. So instead of a strong bullish candle, I found very weak bullish candle. It means still buyers are not interested. That's what I place here lower option. And I and another thing was, see, still round number is here, so that market supposed to be made a bearish candle, at least for 1 minute. That's what I place lower option, and I have on this trade. And this was my last trade, and against this trade, because I had made a I got a loss. And here I have placed higher option, because see, so this is a downtrend, but in this downtrend also we can see some buyers entry, and every 3 4 candle we saw some buyers entry. But here, see, if you see 4 5 candle, there is a buyers entry, but buyer unable to made a bullish candle. But see, if you observe, see, this candle reject from this level, again rejected by the buyer from this level. So and in this candle I saw some buyers entry, and end of the moment that candle close at the buyers rejection point. So I placed a higher option, and I have on this trade. So I think you all understand everything I explained. If you satisfied with the video, don't forget to like and share with your friends. Your support can inspire me to make more video to help you all. Thank you.